This chart presents the technical analysis of Invesco QQQ Trust, QQQ, a popular ETF that tracks the Nasdaq 100 index. Below is a detailed summary of the key indicators and trend analysis based on the data presented. 1. Candlestick chart, price movements. The current price is $481.59, showing a slight decline of 0.07%. 2. Exponential moving averages, EMAs, are plotted. The 20-day EMA at $478.99 and the 50-day EMA at $473.62. The price is above both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs, signaling short-term and medium-term bullish momentum. This indicates that buyers are still in control, but the slight decline might suggest some consolidation. 2. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD line, which is blue, is at 5.36, above the signal line, which is orange, at 4.45, representing a bullish crossover. The MACD histogram is in positive territory, confirming upward momentum and suggesting that the bullish trend is still intact. 3. RSI, Relative Strength Index. The RSI is at 54.79, which is in neutral to slightly bullish territory. The reading is above the 50 level, signaling that there is more buying pressure than selling pressure. However, it is not yet in overbought territory, which is above 70, meaning there could still be room for upward movement. Alright, let's dive into the Williams A%R. The Williams A%R is currently at negative 50.86, which places it in neutral territory. This indicator is neither signaling overbought nor oversold conditions, aligning with the RSI's suggestion of neutral to slightly bullish momentum. Basically, this indicates a balance between buying and selling pressure, and further price movement could go in either direction depending on external factors or market sentiment. Now, let's summarize the trend. In the short term, we see a bullish trend. The price remains above both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs, suggesting that the overall trend is bullish. This indicates that QQQ is still in an upward trajectory, but the slight pullback today suggests possible consolidation before the next move. The MACD reinforces this bullish momentum. The MACD bullish crossover and positive histogram suggest that upward momentum is still strong. This supports the idea that the current bullish trend may continue in the near term. Both the RSI and Williams A%R are in neutral territory, suggesting that while there is some buying pressure, the stock isn't in an overbought or oversold situation. This allows for potential upward movement without significant resistance from overbought conditions. In conclusion, the Invesco QQQ Trust, or QQQ, is currently in a bullish trend, as indicated by its price being above the 20-day and 50-day EMAs and the MACD showing positive momentum. However, the RSI and Williams A%R remain neutral, suggesting that there is no extreme buying or selling pressure at this time. The ETF may be undergoing consolidation before its next move, but the overall indicators suggest that the upward trend could continue if market conditions remain favorable. Traders should monitor the price's interaction with key EMAs and watch for any signs of reversal or confirmation of further gains. This chart provides technical analysis for the ProShares UltraPro QQQ, TQQQ, a leveraged ETF that tracks 3 times the daily performance of the Nasdaq 100 index. The analysis includes various indicators such as moving averages, MACD, RSI, and Williams %R to assess the current market trends. 1. Candlestick chart. Price movements. The current price is $69.52, reflecting a slight decline of 0.23% on the day. 2 exponential moving averages, EMAs, are visible. The 20-day EMA is $68.94, and the 50-day EMA is $67.78. The price is currently above both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs, indicating bullish momentum. The price staying above these key moving averages suggests that the trend is still upward, despite today's minor decline. 2. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD line is at 1.16, slightly above the signal line at 0.7263, showing a bullish crossover. The MACD histogram is positive, indicating that the momentum is still in favor of the bulls. However, the MACD lines are converging, which could suggest weakening bullish momentum. The RSI is at 52.84, which is in neutral territory, indicating that the stock is neither overbought nor oversold. The RSI being above 50 suggests slight bullishness, but the reading is relatively close to neutral, signaling there is no strong buying or selling pressure currently. Williams %R. The Williams %R is at minus 55.25, indicating a neutral stance. This reading suggests that the stock is neither overbought nor oversold, aligning with the neutral RSI reading. The lack of extreme overbought or oversold conditions means that the stock may continue to move within its current trend without a strong push for reversal in the immediate future. Trend summary. Bullish momentum. The price remains above both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs, which indicates a short-term and medium-term uptrend. However, the slight decline today suggests some possible consolidation or a minor pullback. MACD, bullish but losing momentum. While the MACD remains in a bullish position, the narrowing gap between the MACD line and signal line suggests that bullish momentum may be slowing. Neutral indicators. Both the RSI and Williams %R are in neutral positions, suggesting that the market is balanced between buyers and sellers, and that there is no immediate indication of a significant price reversal. Current events affecting the market. Market sentiment on technology stocks. As QQQ tracks the Nasdaq 100, the performance of technology stocks will heavily influence this ETF. With uncertainty around macroeconomic factors like interest rates, inflation, and global market stability, tech stocks may experience volatility, which would impact this ETF's performance. Economic indicators and Federal Reserve policies. Investors remain cautious due to ongoing speculation about Federal Reserve policies, especially regarding interest rates. These factors can affect the broader stock market, especially growth stocks within the Nasdaq 100. Tech earnings reports. As large-cap technology companies begin to report earnings, the outlook from these companies will play a significant role in the future performance of QQQ. Positive earnings could help continue the uptrend, while disappointing results may trigger selling. Conclusion. The ProShares UltraPro. QQQ, TQQQ, is currently in an uptrend, with prices above both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs and a bullish MACD crossover. However, momentum appears to be weakening, as shown by the MACD lines converging and neutral readings from the RSI and Williams %R suggest the ETF is in a consolidation phase. Traders should monitor upcoming macroeconomic events, tech sector earnings, and the broader Nasdaq 100 performance to gauge if this trend will continue or if a short-term pullback is likely.